Hello everyone and welcome back to our IoT video series. Today we are diving into the Unit 4 Architecture and the Fabrication of the Smart Sensor. Smart sensors are the revolutionizing IoT applications with their intelligent data processing and connectivity features. To understand how they work, we need to explore their architecture and the fabrication technique. In this video, we will discuss the core components of the smart sensors and their functions. We will then move on to fabrication technique, including the electrode fabrication and sensing film deposition method. From screen printing and photolithography to advanced deposition technique like CVD and PVD, we will cover it all. By the end of this session, we will have a clear understanding of how smart sensors are designed and built. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. So at first, the smart sensor architecture, the component and their features. Smart sensors are advanced sensing devices that integrate the data acquisition, processing and communication into a single system. Unlike traditional sensors, smart sensors contain microprocessor, signal conditioning circuit, wireless communication modules to process and transmit the data efficiently. The key components of a smart sensor include sensing element, analog to digital converter ADC, microcontroller, communication interface, and power management unit. The sensing elements detect the environmental changes while the ADC converts the signal to digital format. The microcontroller processes the data and applies the algorithms for calibration and error correction. Wireless communication interfaces like the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Zigbee enables the seamless integration into the IoT networks. Power management units ensures the efficient energy use, making these sensors ideal for battery operated devices. With their ability to analyze data locally and reduce the network traffic, smart sensors enhance the efficiency of the IoT systems. So now the fabrication technique for a smart sensor. So the fabrication of a smart sensor involves multiple techniques to create the precise and efficient sensing component. The process begins with substrate preparation, where materials like the silicon, glass, or polymers are selected based on application requirement. Microfabrication techniques such as photolithography, deposition are used to create the intricate sensor structures. The fabrication process ensures that the sensors are highly sensitive, durable, and capable of functioning in harsh environment. Batch fabrication technique allows the mass production, making the sensors cost effective and scalable. Additionally, nanotechnology advancement have led to the development of effective and scalable sensors. So additionally, you can say the researchers are continuously exploring the new materials and fabrication methods to improve the sensor performance. By refining the fabrication techniques, manufacturers can develop the sensors with the lower power consumption and higher accuracy for IoT applications. At first, the electrode fabrication technique is screen printing. Screen printing is a widely used electrode fabrication method due to its simplicity, cost effectiveness, and scalability. This technique involves depositing the conductive ink or paste into a substrate through mesh screen. The pattern of electrode is defined by a stencil allowing the precise control over the design. Screen printed electrodes (SPEs) are commonly used in the biosensor, environmental monitoring, and flexible electronics. The process supports various conductive materials, including the silver, gold, carbon, and graphene, based on inks. One of the key advantages of screen printing is its ability to produce the flexible and wearable sensors. Additionally, this method enables the rapid prototyping and mass production of low cost sensor devices. Despite its benefit, screen printing has limitation in achieving very fine structures compared to other fabrication techniques. So now, electrode fabrication technique photolithography. Photolithography is a highly precise electrode fabrication method widely used in the semiconductor and microelectromechanical system industries. The process involves coating a substrate with a light sensitive photoresist, exposing it to ultraviolet light through a mask, and developing the pattern. This technique allows the creation of intricate microelectrode patterns with high resolution. Photolithography is commonly used in biosensor, microfluidic devices, and high performance smart sensor. Its primary advantage is the ability to create very small and detailed structure with excellent repeatability. However, the process requires the clean room condition and specialized equipment, making it more expensive than screen printing. Photolithography plays a crucial role in fabricating the high precision sensors for medical and industrial applications. Now, electroplating. Electroplating is a fabrication process used to deposit a thin metallic layer onto a sensor electrode. This method improves the conductivity, durability, and corrosion resistance of electrode. The process involves immersing the electrode into an electrolyte solution containing the metal ions and applying an electric current. The metal ions deposit onto the electrode surface, forming a uniform coating. Okay, so electroplated electrodes are widely used in electrochemical sensors, biomedical devices, and environmental monitoring application. This method enhances the performance of sensors by reducing the resistance and increasing the signal strength. One of the advantages of electroplating is its ability to customize the thickness and composition of the electrode material. However, the process requires the careful control of deposition parameters to ensure the uniform coating quality. So now, sensing film deposition. Physical vapor deposition (PVD). PVD is an advanced technique used to create thin film coating on sensor surface. In this method, solid materials are vaporized in a vacuum environment and then condensed onto the substrate, forming a thin layer. PVD is widely used for fabricating the high performance sensors with enhanced sensitivity and durability. This technique is particularly useful for depositing the metals, oxides, and nitrides onto the sensor element. PVD enables the creation of wear resistant coating, making the sensors more reliable in harsh environment. The process is highly controlled, ensuring the uniformity and precision in sensor fabrication. Despite its advantages, PVD requires a specialized equipment, making it a costlier for fabrication method. So, chemical vapor deposition is another widely used technique for depositing the thin films on sensor surfaces. Unlike PVD, CVD involves a chemical reaction between the vapor phase precursors that form a solid film on the substrate. This method is commonly used in fabricating the graphene-based and nanostructure sensors with superior electrical properties. CVD enables the deposition of high purity uniform films with excellent adhesion to the substrate. The technique is essential for producing the gas sensors, biosensors, and advanced electronic devices. However, CVD processes require precise control over temperature, pressure, and gas flow to achieve the desired film characteristics. Some other sensing film deposition methods like anodization and sol gel. Anodization is a fabrication technique used to create the oxide layers on metal surfaces, enhancing the corrosion resistance and sensor stability. This method is particularly useful in fabricating the biosensor and chemical sensors. The anodized layer provides a porous structure, improving the sensor sensitivity and selectivity. Another important technique is sol gel. Sol gel, which involves the transition of a liquid precursor into a solid gel-like structure. Sol gel deposition is widely used for fabricating the ceramic-based sensor with enhanced durability. The process allows for precision control over film decomposition and thickness, making it ideal for advanced sensor application. Both anodization and sol gel techniques contribute to the development of high-performance smart sensor for IoT. So let's wrap up our discussion on Unit 4, the architecture and fabrication of a smart sensor. We explored the key components of a smart sensor architecture and learned about the various fabrication techniques, including the screen printing, photolithography, electroplating. We also covered the advanced sensing film decomposition methods like PVD, CVD, anodization, and sol gel. These fabrication techniques plays a crucial role in enhancing the sensor performance for IoT application. In our next video, we will discuss the Unit 5, the interface circuits and the future trend in the smart sensor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Drop your question in the comments and we will be happy to answer them. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of IoT. See you in the next video.